Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen declutter. So now you're seeing some before clips of whatever situation we had in the cupboards. So I will be taking everything out, going through everything and deciding what to keep and what to get rid of. We've never done such a big kitchen declutter before, but we accidentally bought some new plates and bowls, so we had to get rid of old stuff to be able to put the new ones in. So that's the story of today's video.
Hi Ieva. What you doing?
I am decluttering.
Okay.
We need to get rid of stuff.
So,
Because we got more stuff, there's no space for new stuff, so we need to get rid of old stuff. So I'm taking out all the stuff we have. Oh, that's very distant. All the stuff we have. We're gonna clean the cupboards and only put the stuff back that sparks joy to us.
full Marie Kondo.
Yes. And it's gonna be very stressful to see how much stuff we have. But we're strong, are we?
I mean, I guess you are.
This is just the first shelf. Cool.
Getting there. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I guess we have a problem. Some of us really like tea. We appreciate a good mug. Ieva is in awe. She's experiencing a moment.
It's okay. We can do it. I'm gonna tell you all a spoiler. This kitchen declutter was filmed in our old apartment, which we rented, and we no longer rent, we are actually home owners. So yeah, it's really exciting, and I have lots of videos filmed of that, which I'm slowly getting through. But like logically to my timeline, it made more sense to get this one done first while it was still in the old apartment. It's so interesting to look back because at that point I didn't know that in a couple of months we will be starting the buying process and getting our own place. In a way, it was really good timing because at that point I wasn't really stressed about packing and stuff, so I was actually able to judge all of the items fairly, I would say. In these time lapses, you can see me and Alex behind the scenes discussing some of the things. Quite often, at least in our case, we had multiples of similar items, so you can see me holding two of them and comparing them, and in those instances we decided to keep just one of them because there was really no need for us to have both of them. So there has been a lot of conversations between us. You can't really see Alex, he was busy doing other stuff, but we were discussing things between ourselves, and yeah, that was really good because he had his opinions, I had mine, and we were able to compromise on some of the items. And it was nice to see that on quite a lot of items we had the same opinions, which just, it's always a good thing, I think.
A butterfly with a broken wing, you're terrified of getting listening, is this real? A memory isn't good or bad. You make it seem like I did you wrong. So where do we go from here? I don't really know. 3 a.m. thinking about how we get out of it. Every mistake's on display. Nothing else matters when you're down for whatever. It's that way. You paint my nails and take me out. We're walking in an empty mall. It's anywhere for everything, but nothing changes, no. 3 a.m. thinking about how we get out of it. Every mistake's on display. Nothing else matters when you're down for whatever. It's that way.
Alright, and here we now see all of the items that I decided to get rid of. So some plates, some bowls, some duplicates. So we got rid of at least 6 cups, which I think was a big improvement from the situation we had at the beginning of the video. Just gonna end this video with this chaotic clip of us being goofballs.
Kad ти фільмок, аж не трукнув там. Будь здоров.
Ну, щоб воно не сработало від тебе.
Кожне питання. Я думав, ну, той план. Тоді вранці. Ти такой, кіта ранка подя. Йой, кратейся твій.
Так 30 минут. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.